Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own Easter tree for decoration for your table or end tables. It's really simple, and all you have to do is what I've done. I went out into my yard, and you can get a branch with different limbs off of it. Especially in winter, you'll find broken branches around your field. And usually an Easter tree is white, but I've got mine painted pink, and this is what I've got. I've glued a few flowers on to decorate it up a little bit, and I just bought like a glass vase from the dollar store, and I've got these styrofoam eggs. You can get it packs in the dollar store, and you just put that in your vase. And you put your tree down inside. And you just put some around the tree. Oops. I'll pick them up after. Okay. And you can buy these packs of eggs that go on your tree over at the dollar store. I picked up 2 packs, and you just start hanging them on your tree. And another way to recycle, if your kids' buckles or pins break, don't throw them out. If they're a nice thing, you could probably put it on your thing, as I've done here. This used to be a pin that broke. I turned it into an Easter ornament. Same thing with this. This is from the dollar store's little bee. And you just glue ribbon on the back, and you can turn it into a little ornament. And you just start hanging your eggs all over your tree. Now, it's not going to be really bushy and thick and full like a Christmas tree, but it does look cute if you take the time and effort to do it up. I'm just going to do a quick little thing to show you. So mine's not really going to be right thick, but I will fill it up after. Here's another homemade ornament. Items from the dollar store. You can just buy them and stick a piece of ribbon on, and you got a homemade ornament. Oops. Okay. Now this is just a quick job, but it'll look better after if I start filling it in more. Now I'm going to put some more on it after, but this is basically my Easter tree. And you can fill it out any way you want. Like, I might put some Easter ribbon or like a Easter garland. You can buy at any dollar store, and put it through it to thicken it up to make it look a little bit better. But this is just the basic, just to show you how easy it is to make your own tree and how you can make your own ornaments for it. Later on, I'll be making a big, huge tree to put in my entryway, and it will be thicker and fuller, and I'll show you later on in one of my videos. If you like this video or any other of my videos, please subscribe. Click on the subscribe below and on the little bell, and you'll get a notification anytime I put out a new video.